everyone, dari video dinalia di tupo lili uscine biang mina lagi tu tiene so yes ini ya sene pe chama ni hoti chi so ya yin ini kante so kome moto tindu chi ya yin ini gotsu. Hello everyone, today I try to explain a little bit in English. Not good. I'm just really didn't learn well. So today I'm trying to make this. Make this dish with the Chinese noodle. It's called biang. So need is white flour and salt, Chinese cabbage, and on top the leaf green ones, and garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, vinegar, and Chinese salt, the white, no, the one's called monosodium, something, monosodium, and that one only few, a little bit, because it's really not good for health. And you put put little bit of salt in the flour and mix it, make the dough a little bit dry, and give it a little bit covered up with something, and rest like few minutes. After that, then you roll and make it a little flat and cut long, little flat thick one, and put on oil and leave it overnight is better. I think I left it not long before I did it. Anyway, it doesn't work out good. And when then between the that time you can cut the Chinese cabbage, cut a little bit bigger piece, and later when water. Then I cut these green onion and spinach. No, it's not spinach. Coriander, and coriander, and cut those. After that, then the garlic and ginger already I chopped it, put in oil, mix it so you can use anytime. And after that, water boil, then you make the noodle, First make it really flat and thin, and then pour and put in the water just the same time, no problem, after it one by one. And after finish the noodle, you then put the Chinese cabbage in it and cover it like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then cooked. And then you make in the bowl, mix it is vinegar, soy sauce, salt, the Chinese salt, the white one, very little, don't put too much, it's really not good. And some spicy maybe. I only need this one though, but I only can't find it. Fried chili, oily chili. Made by myself, and the fried oil, I made it before this. Smell good, the oil, you put everything, whatever you got, spicy, dry spicy, all in the hot boil oil, then make the oil smell better, And that one, and that's it, those all put in a bowl, and after 2 minutes the noodle cooked, and then put in a bowl and mix it, eat it, it's done. So hopefully there's a little bit of hope. My English is really not good. I want to try with the, this making at the same time, but then it's confusion, making me weird. It goes so wrong. I did before, it didn't work out. So that's it. Hopefully it's a little bit of hope, and thanks for watching, and see you all in next time.
Ini subengo mati cek sa
위치 아니 매나 되지 네 자유 아니 고파 디 조션 저디 고파다 가문이 소월 조션 저디 치네 노 먼저 네제 배제 소리가 가르쳐줘 제 이제 아니 종업부 아니 스노 펜소 오야 네 따따따 Dinle düşük değil sence değil. Frigin alın şaşay. Ay ya das için. Sonra otururuz. Ne öyleyse. Ja, das ist 진짜 가시에 지시한 프리지로나 난 로션을 되게 공다 지시하네 야오여서 보내잖아 프리지스를 프리지나로 애는 그냥 줄때냐 지시한 잖아 어야 그치야 샤샤 비치 어야 아니 진짜 니도 나스로 메로 그지 그냥 벨샤 아니 그것도 좋죠.
Чуди кусок. Ди кусчини. Десу. Сушена йога. Чурин сушена йога висыргажеди. Şimdi şu içeriz. Hapsedi geldi su devrulmuş. Buraya. Oraya. Oraya yaklaşalım. Sweni di corridore. Kanka seç. Çamasaya. Çayı oturmuş. Çok iyi kızarız. Sayacağım. Çayım var. Ben gidip su. Su. Ne çayı? Sosunu. Şimdi şu çalış. Suyu açacağım. 저다 맨날 수시린가리야 trots. 그치 가만히 니 가만히 심어. 그냥 zonda 된 소리 지지. 소다. 네, 건다치 시험에 다 요설하지. 네, 좋대야. 그래 좋대야. 심시라 텐토가 소리야. 저도 여보처럼다. 뭐냐? 안 줄일 샤 좀 하지. 영 테스트래.